Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with our box for Sephora Play. This is for the month of May. I know we're in June now, but I'm actually waiting for my current box to ship, well actually to arrive. It already shipped, so I've been tracking that. I should be getting that pretty soon, but for now we have our May box here. This subscription is a $10 a month subscription, and I believe you get about 5 samples plus a bonus item, well, bonus little samples, but you do get 5 deluxe size samples and a bonus item, which is usually a perfume. Not gonna make you wait for that one. It's usually a small little perfume. Sometimes they do change it up, but that's what it is for the most part. Let's get into the box to see what we have for the month of May. Okay, so once you open it up, just like with all of our Sephora Play boxes, you get a little pamphlet with a 50-point, I was gonna say $50, I wish, a 50-point card that you could use on your next purchase. You buy anything, it doesn't have to be any like specific price. You either scan this in store or you put the code in online and they automatically give you 50 extra points, which is not bad if you want to go and buy another little tiny sample with your points. So we have our little paper here, and this one says greeting from Play, and it has like a bunch of like little postcards, little notes and stuff, and in the back we have our product information. So let's get into the box and see what we got inside. So here we have the same plain, well not plain, but the same plastic bag that we get from Sephora. So all of our products come inside. Let's start taking them out to see what they are. Okay, so this is our first item. I am not sure why they gave me such a big bag for a tiny little thing here. This product is from Lancome. And I believe we have received this item in our box before. It is a mascara primer, and it's called Seals Booster XL. It's a little bit hard to read just because they are gold letters on a white little container. But this is what it looks like. It's a very, very tiny. When you open it up, that is actually the thing with your little spoolie. So as you guys can see, the product in here is white because it's supposed to be a primer for your mascara. This is supposed to be a step 1 once you curl your eyelashes, if you curl your eyelashes. But this is supposed to go on your eyelashes right before your mascara does. And I believe it's supposed to add volume and I think length. Here it says super enhancing. So it enhances your eyelashes. It's supposed to, again, go under your mascara. So that is item number 1. Let's see what else we have inside. Our next item here is from Moroccan Oil. This is our little packaging. It's super cute. I've never seen the packaging like this. So let's see. Oh, okay. So this is actually a spray. I have received a deluxe size sample from this brand, Moroccan Oil, but it's an actual like little bottle of oil like for your hair, and I really like that product. I like the scent, I like the formula, I like how it feels on my hair. It makes it nice and shiny. But what we have here, it is a spray. So this one here, it's supposed to, I guess, protect your hair from pollution. I've never tried anything like that for my hair. I do know that they have protection from pollution against your skin, but I've never tried anything for my hair. So let's see how this comes out. So it smells really nice. It has a really nice scent to it. It doesn't feel like an oil. You know what? I don't know. Once it starts drying off of my skin, it does feel a little bit tacky. I'm assuming that's what will get stuck onto your hair and protect it against, whatever it is out in the environment. But I'm excited to try this out. I do put a lot of product on my hair to maintain the texture, and so I don't look like a crazy person because my hair gets like everywhere. So I'm excited to try this one out. Maybe I'll put it on before I put on all the other products in my hair. So I'll give this one a try. Our next item here, it is from Sol de Janeiro. It is the Coco Cabana cream. This is the little tiny size that we got here. I have smelled this scent before, and I do remember a lot of people, they were really split between the I do like it and the I don't like it. There really wasn't anybody in between, because it does have a strong sugar cookie vanilla scent, sometimes almost like the butter popcorn. It's a very different strong scent, so if you're not a big fan of a sweeter scent, you're not gonna like this. But I really do like the product of this one here. It is very moisturizing, and I think that's supposed to be the job for this lotion here, because they do have different ones with different things that they do for your skin, and I believe this one is supposed to be the moisturizing one. So I really like it. It's going to be very easy to just grab this one and go when I'm traveling. Our next item here, it is from Kula, and it is a mineral sun silk creme sunscreen. Sunscreens can get very, very expensive, so whenever I get them as part of my box, I really, really like it, because that just means I don't have to go out and buy it. I mean, eventually I do, just because these are very, very tiny little samples. But whenever I need to put something in my purse, these are the ones that I usually grab. So I'm excited to have this one here. I know I say I'm excited for everything, but I mean, I kind of just, like to open boxes and get a bunch of products. So I'm always excited to get all of these things. So once you put it on your skin, it's your typical white sunscreen. You just rub it in. It doesn't feel as thick as any of the other sunscreens that I've felt, but it doesn't give me a scent. So I don't know, maybe this is good for like sensitive skin. And it feels nice. I think once it absorbs into the skin, you're not going to feel it on there very much. So I'm happy I got this one here. So our very last item in our box, it is a little lipstick from Bite. This is a company that I really, really like. I like their products. I like their lipsticks. They always have a very nice creamy formula. This is the color that we got here. Let me see. It is in the color Chai. This is a very, very nice color. Very up my alley. I love getting all of these colors. I use them every day. That is it there. Like I said, it's very creamy. It's very like pigmented. And this one actually has a little bit of a shine to it. So it's not a complete matte lipstick, but that's fine. I love the color, and I know it's something I'm going to wear all the time. So now, those were all of the products from our box. We are now just left with our bonus item, which, like I mentioned in the beginning, it's usually a perfume sample, and that's what this one is. This one is Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, Carolina Herrera. That's really her name. But this one is Good Girl. The bottle for the full size one here is very interesting. It looks like a heel, and it somewhere on there it has your little button so you can spray the perfume. But that's what the full size perfume looks like. This one is one that I have smelled before, and I really, really like. I actually ended up buying the roller, the one with the little roller ball on the top, just because I didn't want to buy the full size, and I wanted to be one that I can grab and go whenever I have to travel. So I really, really like this one here. This scent is it is a stronger scent, but it's also soft, if that makes any sense. I really like this one. When I put it on in the morning, it makes me feel refreshed, and and just fresh throughout the day. So I really recommend this one. It's a very nice scent. Let me see if I can find the notes. Okay, so on our little paper here, the fragrance family, it is in the floral family. The top note is tuberose. Not sure what kind of rose that one is, but the middle note is jasmine, and then the base note is tonka bean. It's a very nice mixture of all of those scents, so that's why I really like this one. Okay, so those were all of the products for our Sephora Play box for the month of May. I really liked that we got a Sol de Janeiro lotion here. And like I said, I always use these Bite lipsticks. I like to just throw them in my purse. And so I really like these. That just adds another thing. And the one that I'm excited to try out is this Moroccan Oil spray. So if it can help protect my hair, then even better. Let me know what you guys think. Those were all the things that I liked. Let me know what you guys got. I know there are different variations to this box. Did you guys get anything good? Let me know down in the comments below. And again, remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. That is all for today. I hope I will see you guys here next time. Bye.